Pagod na pagod ka, pero ang output mo, laging pwede na. I met an accountant once working for a retail business. Every month end, automatic yung overtime. Edco dito, reconcile doon, tapos check ng resibo hanggang madaling araw. Ang problema, dahil sobra ng pagod at ubos na yung oras, ang ending, okay na yan, pwede na. Hindi niya gustong gawing half-baked yung trabaho, pero ano pa ba choice mo kung 12 hours ka na nakaupo? Ang ending, yung reports laging may errors, yung analysis bitin, at ang ending, nagmumukha siyang incompetent. Pero ang totoo, it's the system that fails her, not her skills. So I helped her apply accounting tools on her job. Data entry, automated. Reports, ready in minutes. Kaya kahit man-end, kaya niyang umuwi on time. At dahil less stress na for her, hindi na pwede na yung mindset niya. Mas sharp na yung analysis, mas reliable yung advice, mas proud siya sa output niya. Overtime culture breeds mediocrity kahit gustuhin mo pang maging excellent. Pero with automation, you protect both your time and your standards. Kaya instead of pwede na, magiging the best na ang trabaho mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.